What's up? So I was sitting here minding my business, and I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you have a wife that loves your music, right, and so happens to be a YouTuber, then maybe it could be a little easier for you, okay? But I just wanted to let somebody know. So look, check it. They got this YouTube feature on here where you can collaborate, right? You can invite somebody to collaborate with your content, with your video, right? And basically, what happens is that the collaborator, whoever posts the video and then collaborates with someone, they receive like all the AdSense and whatever the case is, right? Okay, so basically, let me say it. Let me just say what I'm trying to say, and if you got questions, just put them down below. So basically, I think that if you want to do music in 2026 and you need help getting your music out there or anything like that, even if you have content and you just want like help with pushing your content, that invited collaborator feature is very, very, very useful. It is as useful as the other tool that YouTube took away that I constantly say they need to bring back. Back in the day, they used to have this feature where on people's videos you could put a related video underneath it. So say somebody made a video about like how to play the guitar, and so underneath you do like maybe you made a video about guitar playing for beginners, so you would add your video on their thing as like a related video. Sorry, I have children. We have children, but you would be able to add your video on there as related video. Okay, that was like an amazing feature. Imagine like somebody's popular video, you can just add your video on underneath there and it pops up, kind of like how things are recommended to you now, but you have the ability to put your own video on there. I say that so hard, I stress it so much because YouTube, bring that feature back. That was amazing. You're tripping. I get it, but like, come on. Anyway, so this invite a collaborator feature is kind of similar, and it's really, really interesting. So what I do on my channel is honestly I experiment. I like to test things out. I am a YouTube nerd basically, so I like to test out the features that they're showing us and just all types of stuff. I like to maximize my revenue on this platform. So my husband makes music, and I really love his music. I honestly do. I don't listen to anybody else. I really don't. So what I decided to do is I want to help him to just expand his music. Why not? Like literally, why not? I have this platform. Why not? And so I started posting his music, and I just was going to do one of those like challenges type of thing, like posting a video every day until type of thing, to see if that type of content still works when it comes to like series content work, things like that. So I did test out that. It can work, it's interesting, but one thing that I did notice was the collaborator situation. On one of the songs that I posted for him, I did invite a collaborator for him, and on his end he was literally linked to the video as well and was able to see how it was performing. Honestly, and also with this feature I had a brand partnership where I invited them as a collaborator. I did not reach back out to them to see like how that feature worked because I didn't want to educate them on how to use it. Sorry, but like that's kind of awkward. But yeah, so I'm letting you know that feature has been there for a minute, so it is something where both you and the person you collaborate with on the video, you guys can both see the analytics and see how it's performing. So I'm saying this to say that also in that feature it says that like on my end, if I post the video and I invite you, I keep the AdSense and I keep the watch time and I keep the views, right? Like that watch time is my watch time, it's added on to my time, right? So it had me thinking like, okay, cool. I know why this is like a okay, cool for me, right? Not everybody has the ability to do this, and I understand that, right? So if you clicked on this video and you made it this far, do you understand that I am telling you this for a reason? Maybe I can help you, maybe we can work together. Email me, let's talk. You never know, okay? So what I decided is that I'm going to do a mix. I'm gonna do like an hour-long mix of his music, right? Because one of the issues that I encountered was that like I literally sat for one day and I did this thing where like I recorded myself listening to the music. So like I was dancing to the song low-key and just like chilling. That's the very first video I did, and I did it to like at least 13 songs. But not all 13 songs can be monetized, right? Because sometimes you use beats from other people, or like these YouTube beats, sometimes they belong to people or they'll finally register the beat, whatever the case is. There's different things, right? So on my end, there were some songs that I could not monetize. There's one song that I did post where I'm sharing the monetization with the person whose beat it is, just different things like that. So to avoid something like that, what I'm gonna do is I'm literally just gonna, he has over 500 songs. So I'm gonna like do an hour-long mix, and then I'm going to upload it to his channel and then have him invite me as a collaborator. That way it shows up on my page, but he gets all that traffic. So if that is to be the case, right, because it is his video and I'm literally just helping to get some traffic to him, as a person that averages 1 million impressions honestly monthly, that is very good for him. I just minding my business, I be chilling. So if I am able to at least be able to create the content how I want to, because it's my husband, you know what I mean, then that makes it a little easier to create something that will be able to flow properly on my channel, right? So understand why I'm saying that. I'm saying that to say that if you did have the opportunity to work with somebody else and do like something that I'm doing, something similar, or like create content to where you can be inviting somebody as a collaborator, do make sure that you have a concept in mind that flows with the direction of their channel. Like, not just asking them like, hey, like, can I do this, or like whatever the case is. However you go about it, make sure that you're able to come up with a concept that flows with the content that they already produce. That way it's more of an alignment, it's easier, right? That's how we do it as creators when it comes to brand deals. So kind of think about that in terms of collaborating, because it is essentially like a partnership, you know what I mean? So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna basically make like a sorry if I'm talking fast, I'm out of breath. I'm actually pregnant. I'm very out of breath. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a hour playlist thing. That way the monetization part doesn't matter, and I don't have to worry about copyright and all that extra stuff on my channel. That would be his issue, his problem, and not like that. But he's not monetized, so that's not really a big deal. But yeah, but he'll get all that watch time and the views and the impressions, and all those analytics will be his, because it'll be his content. He'll own that content. That's why that's like that. I'm just helping to get some exposure. So that is really freaking awesome, and I just really thought that I'd share that with somebody, like as far as what I'm about to do, because like I'm about to do it like right now. So yeah, I think that if you have a opportunity, a chance, if you are that type of person where you don't care and you just email people and you're like, hey, I really like your channel, you know, tell somebody what's something that you like about their channel and why you think that your music would be a fit on their channel, or whatever the case is, or ask if they can put your music in the background, stuff like that. Whatever the case is, you know, just do what you got to do, but definitely understand that people are looking for new music to listen to. They're looking for new stuff. So don't be afraid to put your music out there. Get back on SoundCloud. I think SoundCloud is making a comeback. That's just me. But yeah, if you want more helpful tips and stuff, let me know, because I'm always thinking about different ways that I can help my husband. Because I just want to, like, when I'm not doing anything, then why not? And just because of everything that I'm always learning when it comes to YouTube, I'm trying to help him as well. And just anything that I learn, he's the first person to hear before I make videos. So if you guys want to be a part of that ear, let me know, and I will definitely help you. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know down below as well. And thank you so much for watching. God bless you.